headed to Kissamos to get to Balos Beach, and it's about a half-hour drive from Hanya. So we get to Kissamos, and then we have to get a boat to get over to the beach, because it's a rough and patchy road where they won't really allow rental cars to go. We wouldn't be able to make it. It's too rocky. You can see how green it is here. The ocean is very choppy today. Lots of wind. Very, very cool. Only in the mid-70s. Beautiful day for a beach day. So we'll chime in once we get there. We are getting close. Just came around the bend, and I think that's about 5 miles away. Look, the wind. The wind is pretty rough. Look how the white, what do you call it? The caps.
Yeah.
It's very windy.
Hope the boat's running.
Yeah, let's see. But I think that's where the Balos Beach is, over off of that peninsula, but on the other side.
That's why you take the boat.
But really interesting landscape. Let's see if I can even make the boat. My stomach is queasy just from the drive. What?
Well, I don't know if the boat's gonna help.
No, the boat won't help.
You have to.
Let's see if we can get on the
You have
boat.
to go with it. You can't fight it.
Oh, so just puke over the side of the boat?
Yeah, you have to just roll with it.
Okay, we'll see. It is 10:30, so I don't know how these boats run.
11 on the edge.
Yep, we'll see. So we made it here to Kissamos, and this is the bay. You can see that the water is quite rough, very windy. Gorgeous. See how it's very rocky. But it's beautiful. So we opted not to try to go to the Balos Beach. I think that's where you get the boats from, is in that area. The water is just way too rough. So we're going to try again in a couple of days when the wind is calmer and the waves are calmer. I think on Monday. So we're just going to hang out at the beach for a while. So we got here to the port, and the ticket office said no tickets for today and Saturday due to high winds. So I'm glad we didn't decide this. I'm not sure what boat would go on there. So what's happening now? It is way too windy, and you can see that this beach is very rocky. And we were just over there. I don't know if you can see, but like just right over there where the boats are. That's what we'll take on Monday. But yeah, nobody's out at the beach today. It's so windy.
You just felt like you're down the window. Gotta keep rolling, man. Gotta keep rolling. Now you know what I want, son. Take the forest and just go.
Alright, so I'm gonna videotape. I don't think so. But this is 10 o'clock at night. FaceTime.
Oh.